A painting is never truly complete. There is always another layer, another detail to add. Today I am building depth with the second layer of colors, creating a stunning mountain effect. Let's bring the painting to the life. So starting with the second layer of the colors, now building the mountains for the beautiful effect. Painting is a journey, and for an artist it's never truly complete, so just keep painting. Now back to the painting. In the foreground I am creating lush green trees, starting with the dark base layer by layer. I am adding depth and textures, letting the paint come to the life. So as you can see in the foreground I'm adding lots of layers, and I'm using the dark colors for the backgrounds of the tree to showing the more depth in the every object of the painting. So as you can see I use dark and light colors. So in the foreground I added lots of color layer by layer and layer by layer, and as you can see it's turning into the beautiful landscape and showing the real effect of lush green area and the rocky and the muddy effect. These layers are very important for the painting and adding dark color to the foreground, and after these dark colors I'm adding the light colors for showing the real layer by layer effect. So at the end, for the finishing touch I simply added the flying bird